Oh, it's just Weezer. Weezer? Oh my god, it's Weezer!
Chop! You might say it looks sort of blue. Blue. Ah.
How'd that get in there?
Sir, don't take another step or we will use force. What the?
Bitch, I've been hot since flip phone. Hey. Running this game for 5 years. Guess that's why my feet hurt. Hey. Wonder when they bite me. Do these bitches' teeth hurt? Yes, I am an icon. That's me on your t-shirt.
Brother, what's that?
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
I have a question for everybody. Who wants to go to the Four Seasons Orlando?
Attitude. Now walk off.
Okay.
Attitude. Now walk off again, motherfucker. Bye.
Oh shit, the car.
No, please! No!
Oh, damn! I think I'm in love.
I kill wherever I please, and none can stop me. Sorry. No doubt you purloined it for your filthy dwarf friends. I ate all his people like a wolf among sheep.
Turn down for what?
Who made the console orange?
Do I look orange?
I didn't touch
Orange is not my color. Not me.
Wait.
Oi.
Wait.
Nor. Wait. Yeah.
Bro, do something else.
No, wait.
Bro, you fucking suck.
Real bitch. No, you're not gonna call me no bitch, because I'm not none of these girls. I'm gonna whip your ass, 'cause I'm not none of them.
Fine line in the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I, like diamonds in the sky. Yeah! Catch confetti! Oh, get one.
Bitch, show yourself. Alright?
Noise contestant number 3 that you think represents how you would make a noise when you got spanked? Go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
Ooh. And do contestant number 1 now, since we're doing this new bit.
There's no way.
Look at it.
Wolf spider.
What are you doing, emo? You're not gonna do nothing. Look at this emo.
Who is that? That's Gene and them!
Okay, no, we don't say that.
Fuck me.
Okay.
Oh, I got a shit. Oh, I got a shit.
flinch. No, I'm eating his ass. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought you were my friend.
You know those girls that always look clean, their skin is always glowing, their lips are always glossed, and they never ever look like they're wearing too much makeup? We may not be them, but here's how to get their look.
She want me bad. 저게 oh, yeah, 이게